people that successfully renounced cultism. How did you do it? Because Arsenal is negatively affecting my relationships, guy. My mom, she called me towards the end of yesterday's bullshit. I just did so. First of all is that to watch Arsenal game, I gotta wear a shirt because they drop my blood temperature. You know what I'm saying? So what the hell, man? I still dey young, and they give me cardiac arrest symptoms, guy. What the hell from? I mean, if you don't renounce cultism successfully, I need your advice. When I tell you that Christianity is the highest enabler of the matrix of reducing your consciousness and is so toxic to the soul. Not be able your soul, not be able your awareness, your consciousness. That's what Christianity is here to do. When I tell you that Christianity is so toxic to the soul and to accountability. Now, okay, look at the topic of forgiveness. How can you hurt somebody, reduce their energy? And when you want to get forgiveness, you go and confess to a man. You go and confess to a man, an elevated man, a man that has been elevated by people. That man probably knows somebody that has fingered a little boy, or he has fingered a little boy himself, and that's the person you go and confess that you hurt your fellow man too. It's the belief perseverance for me. Instead of you taking accountability, that man now go and carry those soiled hands, and feed your spirit. You are a spirit wearing a human skin. That man will now carry that soiled hands and feed you tasteless bread and wine. So how can you come and persecute Didi when they are feeding you with those soiled fingers, when they are feeding you tasteless bread and wine with those soiled fingers? Contrast it to the Odinaani way. If you hurt somebody, what you did was to reduce that person's energy, to cause them an energy deficit. You know what I'm saying? A couple of good vibes, bad vibes, able to more, able to. And what you should do is to correct that deficit. You know what I'm saying? Go and track the person and tell the person that you are sorry. You know what I'm saying? Tell that person, and if there is something that they demand, to use and raise their energy up, if you can pay it. If not, if it's something that you can't pay, beg them. You know what I'm saying? Beg them. If you are sorry. But know that if you go and tell that person, especially when they don't already know, this is when they don't already know, not when you are refusing to apologize because of pride to somebody that knows that you hurt them and you know that you hurt them. If you are sorry, but you know that if you go and tell that person that it will be bad, something I think is possible, at least theoretically, right? If I'm more kind, you are a spirit, they are spirits. Well, something I think is possible, at least theoretically, is to summon, call their spirits, call their Izumez and appease their Izumez. You are a spirit, so you should be able to appease a spirit. You know what I'm saying? Maybe this can apply to Yahoo boys who finessed Oyibo and are honestly sorry, right? But obviously you can't call Oyibo to confess that you took their money. So maybe appeasing that person's spirit, making a sacrifice to their spirit, or even several sacrifices to their spirit, right? Maybe it can even benefit that person. I'm saying, how does it call me? DB yourself on our guy earlier somewhere. And obviously, when your name more can more, you know what I'm saying? If na me they please you, na me where you know, na me where you want the favor. So make of that last part what you want. Make of it what you want. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. This video was inspired by a post by the best Odinaani blog there is, sloanangelo.blog, Oma's Garden. Check her out. So one last thing, remember that I offer consultation calls. So if you feel there is something that could be gained from anyone one-on-one, having a session together, speaking one-on-one, hit me up, book a session with me, and let's set the time and talk. and hash out, maybe help you through the start of your journey or through a bump in it or something. Yeah. So let's get on the call and work something out.